In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can enable a pull feature in Excel, so that way it will be able to speak to you and read what's in your cell like this. So this is the speak cells feature in Excel and the corresponding stop speaking in Excel. So to add this in Excel, these are ways to do this in your quick access toolbar. First, click on the little drop down arrow at the top right here. Then go down and click on more commands, where here you can add different commands to your quick access toolbar. Go not from popular commands, but all commands. It takes a second for it to load, but once it does, you're going to scroll down, and it's in alphabetical order, so scroll down to the S's. You're going to want to go to SP, speak cells, so click on that, click add. And then you're going to want to also add stop speaking cells. And then once you have added both of those, click OK. Now, to use this feature, you can click into a box and then click Speak Cells, where after doing that, it will automatically default to hiding the entire range and speaking the cells starting from last place that you left off. Or if you want just a specific cell or a specific range of cells verbally spoken, you can just highlight the range and then click Speak Cells. That's it. I hope you found this to be interesting. I just think it's interesting too how it's smart enough to be able to say like the date and to know that the formatting is currency, so you can click Speak Cells, and it knows that it is formatted in dollars. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.